Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the concept quantity times value. Farmer Chen sowed some pineapples and peaches. He sowed 4 times as many peaches as pineapples. Each pineapple was sold at $3 and each peach at $2 less. If Farmer Chen collected $210 from the sale of all the fruits, how many peaches did he sell? In this problem, we have pineapples and we have peaches. We have 4 times as many peaches as pineapples. For every 4 peaches, we have 1 pineapple. However, we do not know the actual amount of peaches and pineapples. We know that peaches is 4 times and pineapple is 1 time. For each pineapple, it is sold at $3. So this value represents the value of each of the item. And for peach, each peach is sold at $2 less than the pineapple. So $3 minus 2 is 1. And there we have it. So we have quantity times value. For every 1 pineapple that is sold at $3, the total is 3. 1 times 3. And for 4 peaches that is sold at $1 each, the total amount for peaches is $4. 1 times 4. And the total amount for 1 pineapple and 4 peaches is equals to $3 plus $4, which is $7. What this means is that for every set of 1 pineapple and 4 peaches, Farmer Chen collected $7. He collected $210 altogether. We take 210, divide by $7, which is the amount he collected for 1 set. We can find the number of sets, which is 30. So there are 30 sets of 1 pineapple and 4 peaches. How many peaches did he sell? For every 1 set, he sells 4 peaches. And there are 30 sets. The total number of peaches he sells is 120. Let's go on to the next question. A fruit seller sold some durians and coconuts. She sold twice as many coconuts as durians. Coconuts will be 2U and durian is 1U. She sold each durian for $8 and 1 coconut for $1. If she collected $80 from her sale, how many more coconuts than durians did she sell? Let's go ahead and put all this information in a table like this. We have durians and coconuts. For quantity, there are twice as many coconuts as durians. Coconuts 2U and durian is 1U. And this means that for every 2 coconuts sold, 1 durian is sold. Value refers to the price of each fruit. Durian is sold at $8 and coconut $1. Quantity times value. For 1 unit times 8, we have $8. And 2 unit times $1, we have $2. Hence, for every set that consists of 1 durian, and 2 coconuts, it is sold for $8 plus $2, which is $10. One set of durian and 2 coconut is sold for $10. She collected $80 from her sale. We use the total amount collected from her sale, which is 80, divided by $10, which is the price for one set. We get 8 sets. The questions ask, how many more coconuts than durians did she sell? So for every set, for every one set, which is represented by here, we have one more coconut than durian. And there are 8 sets altogether. So the number of coconuts that she sold more than durians is 8 times 1, which is 8. The answer is 8 coconuts.